Next question. A box of Devgarh mango is sold for rupees 1250. A merchant sold 25 such boxes. The commission for each box was at the rate of rupees 1.5%. How much commission did he get from the agent? Now, first find the selling price of 25 boxes. Selling price of 25 boxes is equal to 25 into rate of that one box is 1250. Multiplication of these two, 125 into 25, 3125, that is rupees 31,250. Now commission on that selling price. Commission is 1.5 percentage. 3125 into 1.5 divided by 100. 10 is cut. 3125 into 1.5 divided by 10. This is multiplied by 15. 1.5 first multiply by 15, then give the decimal place. 46875, one decimal place and divided by 10, that is two decimal place. Answer is 468.75. Our answer is option number 1. Next example. Khadi Gram Udyog Mandal sold products of 25,300. What was the amount of rebate at the 5%? Now what is meant by the rebate? Rebate is same as the commission. For the organization like Khadi Gram Udyog, handloom shop, handicraft selling center, give the some discount or the discount on the time of the Gandhi Jayanti, etc. And this is called this discount is called as the rebate. Selling price is given 25,300 and rebate equal to discount. Rebate means the discount 5% on that selling price. 5 upon 100, cut 2 zeros, numerator denominator zeros are cut. 253 into 5. Answer is 1265. Answer is 1265. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Next example. A company sells electrical vehicles to minimize the air pollution. The government offer a rebate of 20% to the company. Calculate the rebate for the sale of the 6 vehicles at rupees 24,500 per vehicle. The selling price of the one vehicle is 24,500. First find the selling price of the 6 vehicle. Selling price of 6 vehicle equal to 24,500 into 6. Double zeros are given. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. That is rupees 1,47,000 rupees. Now there is the rebate 20%. Rebate equal to 20%. So total rebate on 6 vehicles 1,47,000 into 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100. Numerator 20, denominator 2 zeros are cut. 1470 into 20, double zeros, 2 sevens are 14, 29. So answer is 29,400. Option number 3. Answer is option number 3. Next, a shopkeeper offer a discount equal to 2/8 of the mark price. Discount equal to, and what is the discount percentage? Discount is given. Discount equal to 2/8 of mark price. 2/8 means 1/4 percentage. 1/4 percentage means 25%. 1/4 means 25%. Discount is 25%. Let mark price be x upon x into 100. This x cancel. 1/4 of 100, 1/4 into 100, that is 25%. Discount percent is 25. Discount percentage equal to discount upon mark price into 100. Here mark price be x. 2 upon 8, x is the discount, and discount upon mark price into 100. X is cancelled. 1/4 into 100, that is 25. Next example. A company gives 2 tickets free on the purchase of 12 tickets. Then what is the discount percentage? Discount equal to 2 tickets and mark price equal to 12 tickets. Discount percentage equal to discount upon mark price into 100. Discount is 2 tickets and mark price equal to 12 tickets into 100. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 100 upon 6, that is 50 upon 3. So discount percentage equal to 50 upon 3. No need to calculate the value of tickets. Discount, no value. Put the value of the tickets. No need to find in rupees. 2 tickets upon 12 tickets into 100, that is 50 upon 3%. Next example, 17 example. On the sale of solar panels, government has declared 30% rebate. Ramdev sold 27 such solar panels at the rate of 2,400 per panel from his shop. Now, how much rebate did Ramdev get from this transaction? First of all, we have to find the selling price of 27 solar panels. Selling price of 27 such solar panel, rate of per panel is 2,400. So 27 into 2,400, give 2 zeros, and multiplication of 27 into 24. Answer is rupees 64,800. Now there is the rebate, 30% rebate on the selling price. So rebate equal to, total rebate equal to 64,800 into 30%, and 30% means 30 upon 100. Numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros are cut. 648 into 30. Multiplication of this. Put the 0. 3 8s are 24. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 20 14 19. 19,440. Option number 2. Next example, 18 number. A handicraft society declared 12.5% rebate on the sale of the cotton clothes. If Somnath got 12,187.50 as a rebate, then how much sale did the Somnath make? So rebate is given, percentage of rebate is given. Percentage of rebate equal to 12 and half, and total rebate is given to Somnath. Total rebate equal to rebate amount equal to 12,187.50. We have to find the selling price. Rebate is on the selling price. So find out the rebate formula. Rebate equal to selling price into percentage of rebate. Put the value. Total rebate is 12,187.50 equal to selling price. We have to find the selling price, and percentage of rebate is 12 and half. That is 25 upon 2. 2 into 12, 24, plus 1, 25. 25 upon 2%, that is divided by 100. (25) upon 2 into 100. Percentage means divided by 100. Now find the value of SP. Selling price, we have to find the value of selling price. So this number goes to the left hand side. 12,187.50 into 2 into 100 divided by 25. Divide this number by 25, or 100 is divided by 25. 4. Now selling price equal to 12,187.50 into 4 2s are 8 into 8. Multiplication of this number 0 0. Answer is 97,500. Selling price equal to 97,500. Option number 3. Next is, a shopkeeper gives 18 articles for the mark price of 16 articles. What percentage of discount he offer? Now let mark price of one article is 1. Now shopkeeper gives 18 articles for the mark price of 16 article. That is, mark price of 16 article is equal to rupees 16. Mark price of 18 article equal to rupees 18. 18 articles for the mark price of the 16 articles. So selling price of 18 article is equal to 16 article. That is 16 rupees, rupees 16. So discount equal to rupees 2. Rupees 2. 16, 18 minus 16, that is rupees 2. Discount is equal to 2. So discount percent equal to discount upon mark price. Into 100. 2 upon 18 into 100. 2 upon 18 divided by into 100. 100 upon 9, that is 100 upon 9. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 2, 18, 9s are 18. 100 upon 9. Mark price is 16. 200 upon 8, that is 12.5%. So our answer is option number 2. Discount percentage equal to 12.5. Number 20. A fruit vendor told the price of 2 dozen banana for rupees 24, but actually he gave 30 bananas to a customer for rupees 24. Then how much percent discount did the customer get? 2 dozen means 24. Vendor must give the 24 bananas, but he gave the 30 bananas. Means 6 bananas are extra. So 6 bananas is equal to discount equal to 6 banana. He gave the 30 banana, means he gave the 6 extra banana, that is discount is equal to 6 bananas. Discount percentage equal to 6% discount upon into 100. Discount 6 banana and he sell the 22 dozen means 24 banana into 100. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24 into 100. 100 divided by 4, that is 25. So answer is 25%. Discount equal to 25%.